at least 10% of your effort communicating with other people and building relationships. You know, I used to make the mistake of trying to work 100% of the time, and it just doesn't work. Most companies operate departments in silos, and no one really knows what other people are working on unless you represent yourself and talk about it. And even if others want to speak about your great work, you're going to still need to give them the words, the numbers, the details so that they can represent you properly and your work on your behalf. So relationships and effective communication are really the keys to success in most jobs. So make sure that you put at least 10% of your time, let's say about 1 hour a day, to sell your ideas, to show your contribution, to build relationships with other people. And that could be through meetings, one-on-ones, email updates, presentations, networking lunches. And there's a successful partner at a law firm that told me that what she did when she was a young lawyer to have other people notice her hard work. So she told me, the decision makers didn't see what I did, so I put a memo together to demonstrate what I had done. Back then, I had to come to the table prepared to advocate for myself. I explained why I was ready for the promotion and what my achievements had been. Now, as a partner at the law firm, I realize that few people are paying really attention to what other people are doing. I have no idea what people are doing because I don't have the capacity for it at the time. So I asked them to write it out. On the other side, it's quite enlightening because you can't keep those things on top of mind. So luckily, she had a mentor that explained that she had to sell herself as a young lawyer. So demonstrate your value too. So if you like this video, make sure that you watch this video right here. I think you're going to really like it right over here. Be confident, candid, and caring, my friends. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.